This is Block Games, the next major social airdrop farm that everyone's doing right now, and if you haven't participated yet, you do not want to miss this video. So unlike most airdrops where you have to put in some money, you have to bridge or get volume on a chain, this one is totally different. This one is just like Portal, which happened a few weeks ago, and people made tens and maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars just by social farming on X. In other words, all they did was go over to X and liked, retweeted, and commented on different posts that had the Portal hashtag or the Portal ticker in the tweet. And that's the same thing we have here with Block. If you go over to my For You page and just show the new posts, almost all of them are gonna have block, 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 block. My entire feed is filled with block, and that's because everyone is trying to farm. So the first thing you need to do in order to get in on this airdrop is to make a block account. And to do that, I've left my referral link down below. Once you join that referral link, you're gonna have a chance to get up to 1,000 points immediately just for completing your profile. So the first step is easy. Click the link and make your account. Once you've made your account, you're gonna have this dashboard right here. This is the Block Games app, and the homepage here basically will show you that you need to download the app and get it on your phone. You can also do this on browser, but I highly recommend getting it on a mobile device. Then you'll want to scroll down here and click complete your profile, and you need to do 4 things. You need to link your Twitter account, your X account, connect an Ethereum wallet that you want to use for when the airdrop actually happens. You don't have to have any funds in the wallet, just need to connect it. And then you're gonna need to activate and play one game to complete one challenge. Now, unfortunately, my profile does not wanna work. I cannot get it to link for some reason. I think it's because I have different emails on my account here and on my app store. But once you activate your first game and complete one challenge, you'll get both of those and get your 1,000 credits for completing your account. Keep in mind, you won't actually see the games here when you're on desktop like I am right now. You need to go on your phone and download the mobile apps on your phone, so make sure you do that. Okay, step 2 is to start farming this airdrop. There are 2 scores here. The first one is social and the second one is engage and extra. And as we can see, if we click on the information, there's gonna be 30 million block tokens, which is 3% of the total supply. That's gonna be split across these 2 pools between social and app engagement. So we can do both of these, and I'll show you how to do both of those right now. The first one for social is very simple. You go over to X and you either tag $block or @GetBlockGames in your tweets, like other people's tweets, reply to other people's tweets, quote other people's tweets that involve either one of these 2 tags, and you're gonna earn points for doing that. Now, if you engage with the Get Block Games account directly, you can see we get actually 2x points. So if we go over to their account and we go ahead and like different posts from them, you can see I've liked all of them here. You're gonna get 2x points just for doing that. We might as well go over here and say, block till you drop. And there we go. It's as simple as that. That's the social engagement that we're talking about here. It doesn't cost you any money. All it costs you is time to go over on X and actually engage with other people's tweets. But instead of everyone just doing this, there's actually multipliers so you can get even more points towards your allocation. The first one here is to go ahead and complete your profile and you'll get 2x points right away. So highly recommend, again, doing that to get those 1,000 credits and to actually get 2x whatever points you get on social farming. The other ones you can get are dice multipliers. This is basically a dice NFT that they have, Block Games Dice, currently at a 0.784 ETH floor. So these are expensive. I personally have not bought one because I didn't want to invest any money into this airdrop. I wanted to do purely off social. And so if you wanted to invest in one of these, you can get a ×3 multiplier. You can see these ×3 ones right here. Now, if you go price high to low, you'll be able to see that there are some here. This one's a 9 multiplier, 10 multiplier, but these are a lot more expensive, right? 3 ETH. So you'd have to invest quite a bit of money to just get that 10x multiplier, but you can do that if you want. You'd have to buy a dice and then connect it to your account and you'll get a multiplier up to 10x. The other one is the influencer popularity. So if you have a certain number of followers on Twitter, you'll actually get multipliers. You can see right here, I have 58,000, 59,000 followers. So I was able to get an 8x multiplier just for having that influencer popularity activated. The second way we can earn points here is on the engage. So if we go over to engage, these are gonna be points for playing games. You can see that you have a pace score for playing games. What happens is if you play more games through the app on your phone and complete challenges, you'll get a higher pace score, and that pace will contribute to your engage score overall. You can also participate in contests, invite your friends with your referral code after you've made your account, and then by connecting your wallet and your socials, you'll actually get some more points. Those are all in the profile section. So really it's just playing games and completing challenges, and then inviting your friends will also get you some more points. If we go over here to referrals, you can see I have invited 49 total people so far, and I've earned 1,400 credits credits from those people. You can see what their actual earnings are. And most people have done nothing. This guy did 200. This guy did 1,000. So straight up, just completing your profile will give you 1,000. So that you're already way ahead of all these other people, as you can see, if you just complete your profile. Now, there's also a multiplier for being early. If you are one of the MVPs and being early, you would get this multiplier. I don't know if it's still valid or not. I'd have to check. But if you go and do it right now, there's a pretty good chance you'll also get the early adopter multiplier. So you can see all these multipliers are really starting to stack up. So if you're watching this video, don't wait to go ahead and sign up with your account and complete it. Now, the last section is the extra points. Most of these I've already done. These include things like retweeting things that they post, following them on Twitter, adding your wallet, adding your social account. You can even add block to your nickname on Twitter, and that will actually give you 250 more credit points. And as you can see, I just earned 250 more airdrop points just for adding that to my name. Okay, so those are the two main ways to earn points, is basically play games and engage on X. There are a couple other things we can do here. If we go over to goodies, you can see that they have contests that go on every once in a while, and these will be able to enter you into winning a contest for a Block Games Dice NFT to get that multiplier we talked about earlier, or even to just win Ethereum. You can see right here, I have 50 tickets up here. If you click add tickets, you can go ahead and submit your tickets to try to win these raffles. But as you'll see, you'll need to complete your profile before entering any raffles. And so unfortunately for me, I cannot enter raffles quite yet. But once you complete your profile, I guarantee you'll be able to add tickets and try to get into those contests. So now that we've talked about the two ways to earn points, besides you playing games on your own, the best way is to farm engagement on X. And so since you're watching this video, I want you to join my farming group. If we go over to Twitter here, I have put together this group called Block Bros, where we drop our posts about block games in here and basically just go down the list to basically boost everyone's farming engagement. That's really what it's breaking down to here with this block farm. It is a little bit toxic. I'm not going to lie to you. I personally don't love the way it's unfolded. It's taken over Twitter. Like I said, I have no feed at all now. It's just all block tweets. But doing these farming groups with your friends, especially for smaller accounts like myself, like you might be, you can see right here, I'm in this other group that's also block farming. So I would highly recommend joining a few groups. If you want to join my group, leave a comment down below. I will add you. Just leave a comment with your Twitter and I will automatically add you to our group here so you can farm and engage with us as well. And if you ever need a refresher on this video, on my Twitter, on my pinned tweet, you can see exactly what you need to do. Make an account, complete your profile for a 2x multiplier, follow Get Block Games, and interact with their tweets to get bonus 2x on all of those engagements. Farm on Twitter with other blockers just like me and in our group here, or just go on your feed and interact with all of those and post your own tweets as well. And then play games and complete challenges on the app. And if you want to invite your friends with your referral code, you can also do that. I'm not sure how many points you actually get from inviting friends, but can't hurt. So there are the 6 simple steps on how to do this. Everyone and their mother is farming this thing, so I'm not sure how much it'll actually be worth when the airdrop comes out, but you don't want to be the only one who didn't do it and then find out it's a $2,000 airdrop minimum for everyone who participated. So I'm also farming it. It's not the highest on my rankings, but it's one of the ones I feel like it's just easy to do. It's free to do. We got to do it. Oh, what's that, Mew? Oh, Mew said you should check out this video also if you haven't yet.